Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scrolled through social media and wondered how people create that super cool peeling sticker text effect, where the text actually looks like a sticker that's curling or peeling off the page, then today's video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your text pop with a realistic peel effect, all using Canva. This is such a fun design touch for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, digital planners, honestly, anywhere you want your text to grab a little extra attention. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's get our text onto the canvas. Go ahead and select your text box, then click on the header option. The header is great because it's big and bold, so it'll really help our sticker effect stand out. Now type out your word. I'll use sticker for this example, but you can use anything that suits your project. The important thing is to choose a word that's short and punchy because long sentences can get a little crowded with this effect. With your text in place, it's time to give it that sticker feel. Click over to the effects panel. This is where the magic happens. You're going to select the outline effect from the list. Right away, you'll notice it gives your text that border that mimics a real sticker's edge. Now don't be shy, crank up the thickness all the way to 200. It might look a bit extreme at first, but that bold outline is what makes the sticker stand out from the background, almost like it's waiting to be peeled up. After you set the thickness, take a moment to choose a standout color for your outline. Here, where you can really have some fun, pick something that contrasts well with your background and fits your whole vibe, maybe a bright pink, neon green, or a classic white. The goal is to create a sticker that immediately catches your eye, so don't be afraid to experiment with bold choices. If the color doesn't feel right, you can always adjust it later, so don't stress. Now for the fun detail that really sells the effect, the paper curl. Head over to the Elements tab in Canva and in the search bar type in paper curl. You'll see a bunch of different options pop up, like little curled edges or folds. Take a moment to browse through and find the one that feels most realistic to you. Sometimes the subtle, simple curls work best, but trust your eye and your project's aesthetic. Once you've picked your favorite, simply drag it right onto your sticker text. You'll want to line up the curled edge with one corner of your outline text, kind of like the sticker is just starting to peel away from the surface. Adjust the size and position until it looks natural. Sometimes it takes a little tweaking to get it just right, so don't worry if it takes a few tries. Now there's often a little short end or straight edge left where the sticker meets the canvas, and that can distract from our realistic effect. To fix this, go back to the Elements tab and pick a shape like a rectangle or a rounded square. What we want to do here is basically hide that short end. Place your shape over the area you want to cover, and then change the shape's color so it exactly matches your background. This creates the illusion that the sticker is actually lifting off the page, with the short side tucked seamlessly behind. And that's it, your text has transformed into a fun, eye-catching peeling sticker. Pretty cool, right? If you need to make any adjustments, don't hesitate to play with the colors, curl, or position until you love how it looks. So there you have it, an easy and effective Canva trick to take your designs to the next level. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.